Hey everybody. I would say welcome to the garage, more like the portable shed. I went out and I picked up one of these Harbor Freight portable sheds. Not a bad item for the price. It was in the 60s, so I figured I'll just take it to work. And on the way to work, I think I was like 10 minutes out, the Harley started making some serious noises. And I was afraid that the engine was going to go, to tell you the truth, it was that loud. So I had my buddy pick me up in the morning when I got out and towed the bike, got it into the shed, and I took the primary apart. Come to find out, the nut on the compensator had backed off, which is odd. No idea why it would do that, because I talked it down to the specs that it calls for. So what I did was, the compensator does not look to be damaged. I mean, it's a little worn from all the banging, but I went ahead, cleaned everything up, cleaned all the threads up with brake clean, got all the oil off of there, put a whole bunch of Loctite on that nut, and then I torqued it to 150, and I took it upon myself to go ahead and turn it another about a quarter of a turn to make sure that it's in there good and tight. I don't foresee any issues in the future with it, but you never know, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll ride this thing local around town for a while, see how it handles, and see if there's any more issues with that compensator. I figure while I'm in here, and I had to drain the primary and fill it again, I figure why not change the fluids on what most Harley guys call all 3 holes. And then this beast will be ready to go. All right. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Bye.